Happy New Year! Are you guys ready for another unboxing? Today I'm doing a special unboxing. We have 9 boxes right here. This Year of the Dragon. Let's get it started. Okay, Mom, you open those boxes right there and I'll open these right here. Open this small one. You can use this box cutter. It looks like this one is from Subcase. How was everybody's holidays? Hope everybody had a happy holiday. Oh my goodness! They sent us a box of Lynn chocolate. I thought it was like telephone cases to review. Okay, that's cool. That's one. Put it on the side. My mom opened this. Oh, this is a carbon monoxide and fire alarm smoke detector. Cool. This is gonna come in handy. Okay, Mom. Open the big box right there.
The one.
We've been experiencing some freezing temperature, freezing weather. Let's see what's this one. Looks like my mom opened something from Snail Legs. Oh, this is a knee massager. Knee massager. That's gonna come in handy. She's gonna like that. Okay, Mom. On the big box right there. Oh, and this one. Check it out. Let me show you guys what's in here. It looks like we have some Subcase socks. Oh, I think this is like gift pack. Cool. Cool. Check it out. We got a flashlight, some snow caps, some bands. Oh, and a unicorn beetle case. This is like gift pack. I wonder what's... Oh, okay. Look at this karaoke machine. My mom's gonna love giving this a try. Look at the Bluetooth karaoke. That's cool. Okay, open this box right there, Mom. Oh, this is a mug, Subcase mug. Okay, perfect. I was looking for a mug to use in my parents' place. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna open this box right here. Make sure my microphone is still on. My mom said that's a box within a box. Oh, check it out, Mom, look. Look, a drawer. Look, Mom. It's a drawer with an LED light. Good. Cool. That's gonna be good. And here's one. Check this out. My mom's gonna love this one. Check it out. It's a, look at this. It's a massage mat from Snail Legs. It's perfect for her with laying down. Okay. What's that? Oh, this is a water pitcher with filter. Cool. And with last box, I'll let my mom open the very last box. Okay, Mom, you can open the big box. A big box. I wonder what that is. So these are our upcoming reviews. I'm excited to see what's inside this box. Here, I'll help my mom. It's a box within a box. 这把刀。All right, so this is it looks like it's a neck and back massagers. Something you put in the back of your, you'll wait until for the official review. Okay, Mom. So, you know, wish everybody a Happy New Year. These are upcoming review. Go on, Happy New Year.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
God bless.
God bless everybody.
And I hope everybody have an amazing year. Good health. Hope everything goes well. Take care of yourselves.